Most people think they already know what paradise is. Golden streets, peaceful rest, no pain, no sorrow. But what if that's only the surface? What if paradise is not just a place to rest, but a place to live, to grow, to rule, and to become whole? The Bible gives details most people never talk about. Not imagination, not tradition, but structure, purpose, and design. Today, we are not asking if paradise exists. We are asking something deeper. What is actually inside paradise? Paradise is not an upgraded version of Earth. It is not nature without pollution. It is not life without stress. It is not the world, but better. Paradise operates on a completely different reality. On Earth, everything has limits. Light needs a source. Food requires effort. Peace never lasts. But the Bible reveals something different about paradise. In paradise, light exists without a sun. There is no darkness, no shadow, no fear of night. God Himself is the light. Paradise has no survival. Provision exists before desire. Nothing decays. Nothing is lost. Peace is not a feeling there. It is the environment. And this is only the beginning. Paradise is not like this world. It is perfect. Paradise is not only peaceful, it is alive. At the center of paradise, the Bible describes two realities that do not exist on earth: the tree of life and the river of life. The tree of life is not symbolic decoration. It is a source. The Bible says it produces fruit constantly, 12 kinds of fruit, every month. This means life in paradise never pauses, never weakens, never runs out. Renewal is continuous. Flowing from the throne of God is the river of life, clear as crystal. This river does not flow downhill. It flows outward, from God Himself. Life in paradise does not come from effort or survival. It flows directly from the source. On earth, life fades. In paradise, life advances. Nothing decays, nothing weakens, nothing runs dry. The tree and the river exist to ensure one thing: life in paradise never becomes empty. Paradise is not static perfection. It is eternal growth without struggle. And this is why paradise is not just beautiful, it is complete. Paradise is not a place where everyone becomes the same. The Bible reveals that paradise has purpose, and purpose requires roles. On earth, authority often means control. Power is taken, leadership is forced, responsibility is feared. But paradise works differently. In paradise, authority is not domination, it is trust. Jesus said that some will rule over cities, not as rulers who exploit, but as caretakers who serve. Authority there is a reward of faithfulness. This means identity is not erased. You do not lose who you are. Your character matters. Your choices matter. Your faithfulness matters. Paradise does not flatten people. It completes them. Everyone has a role. Some govern, some guide, some serve, some lead worship. But no role is higher in value, only different in responsibility. There is no jealousy in paradise, no competition, no comparison. Because identity is secure, you are fully known and fully accepted. Paradise restores what earth damages: leadership without ego, service without exhaustion, purpose without pressure. You are not fighting to become someone. You finally are who you were meant to be. Paradise is not endless rest without meaning. It is meaningful existence without struggle. And this reveals something powerful. Paradise is not about status. It is about belonging and responsibility in perfect balance.